Competition examination, English, idioms and phrases. He was carried off his feet. इसका अर्थ है became delirious, in high spirit, पूरे उत्साह के साथ, full of hope and enthusiasm, fits and starts, not regularly, अनियमित, to cast aspirations, to make unpleasant remarks, on the cards evident, dark horse, काला घोड़ा, unexpected winner, to turn over a new leaf, to change for the better, अच्छे के लिए परिवर्तन, to keep up one's appearances, to keep up an outward show of prosperity, दिखावे के लिए, to have an axe to grind, a private end to serve, off and on, कभी कभी, occasionally, to take with a grain of salt, to accept with misgiving, to talk through one's head, to talk nonsense, ins and outs, detail, विस्तृत, details and complexities, yeoman service, excellent work, उत्कृष्ट कार्य को yeoman service कहते हैं, yeoman service, to call it a day, to conclude proceedings, to face the music, to bear the consequences, to take to heart, हृदय पर लेना, to take seriously, गंभीरता से लेना, a damp squid, a disappointing result, in cold blood, ठंडे दिमाग से, ठंडे रक्त से, डेलिबरेटली, चिंतन करके, टू टेक समवन फॉर ए राइड, टू डिसीव समवन, टू मूव हेवन एंड अर्थ, टू ट्राई एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल, टू स्मेल ए रेट, टू बी सस्पिशियस, कोल्ड कंफर्ट, फॉल्स प्रोमिस, to be all at sea, lost and confused, a bolt from the blue, an unexpected event, to bite the dust, none of the above, to cry wolf, भेड़िए की चिल्लाहट, to give false alarm, to strain everyone nerve, तनाव होना हर नस में, to make utmost efforts, to flog a dead horse, to waste one's efforts, to show a clean pair of heels, to escape, to die in a harness, to die while in service, to feather one's nest, to profit in a dishonest way, to foam at one's mouth, to get very angry, to feel like a fish out of water, uncomfortable, to be above board, to be honest in any business deal, to burn one's fingers, खुद की अंगुली जलाना, to suffer bad consequences, to add fuel to fire, to incite, to look down one's nose, to regard with contempt, to shed crocodile tears, मगरमच्छ के आंसू, to pretend grief, दुख का बहाना करना, by putting two and two together, दो और दो साथ रखना, to deduce from given facts, to go scot free, to escape without punishment, at the 11th hour, at the last possible moment, birds of the same feather, एक ही पंखों के पक्षी, persons of the same character, to fight tooth and nail, to fight हीरोकली, उत्साह से, साहस से लड़ना। टू कॉल ए स्पेड, टू बी फ्रैंक। ए वाइट एलिफेंट, costly and troublesome possession, useless its owner.